and Triceratops may have been one of the most colorful of all.
When it located a Diprododon trail, it stalked its prey from the cover of the tall grass. Low to the ground, camouflaged, and capable of tremendous patience, Megalania, like Komodo dragons, would have been masters at stalking. Is the largest arthropod that ever lived, the monstrous ancestor of modern scorpions and spiders. But size was only one of its deadly traits. Megalograptus was a lethal Swiss Army knife, capable of attacking prey any number of ways. Versatility was its weapon.
Headed dinosaur. These plant eaters with curiously thick skulls roamed Montana.
His beak into the water.
One kind of pterosaur used a sieve of 1,000 teeth to strain for crustaceans.
In the ocean, marine reptiles had emerged, like the ichthyosaurs, which roamed the seas. Hunters emerged on the stage.
De alimento vegetal cada semana. Sus defensas, también su trompa era más corta y el cráneo más chato y alargado.
To them, Arandaspis was just a bite-sized snack.
Good thing they didn't come at me too forcefully. And their 5-ton paws would have showed no mercy. One per litter, and they need years to bring it up. 15 years, maybe. It's only natural that they would...
It had extremely sturdy legs and 5 toes on each foot to spread its massive weight. The heavy tail probably acted as a counterbalance. So the Glyptodon wasn't built for speed. But inside all this body armor, you'd imagine it was a
perfect meal for any dinosaur that could catch them.
So one of these animals can easily feed an animal the size of Spinosaurus, no problem.
But put it in the water, and it was perfectly adapted to hunt a boundless supply of fish.
The like of which we have never seen.
Fossil evidence suggests Edmontosaurus was a common T-Rex meal. Tyrannosaurus rex means tyrant lizard king.